together copper piping. First and foremost, let's go over a few safety things. Always wear safety glasses. If you're ever at risk of anything splashing, blowing, or getting into your eyes, you should wear safety glasses. Second, always have a pair of gloves on hand, especially in today's tutorial, because we're going to be working with hot materials and we don't want to burn our hands. And then if you're ever doing overhead work, make sure to wear a hard hat and long sleeves, just to prevent anything from dripping or falling, hitting your head, or getting onto your skin. Next, let's talk about the materials you're going to need to solder together pipe. You're going to need a torch. This cylinder is full of MAP gas and that will work perfectly in this application. Next, you will need solder. This is a lead-free solder and used in water applications. You will need flux, and this will allow the solder to get into the fitting and create that watertight seal. Sandpaper to clean the pipe. A brush to clean the pipe and the fitting. And then a cutter to cut your pipe to the appropriate length and your fitting. So to start off, take your sandpaper and go around the pipe. This cleans it up and roughs it up and will give a spot for the solder to come in and create that seal. Next, you'll take your fitting and your brush, and you'll just rough up the inside as well. You can do the same to this pipe. Next, you will take your flux, and you're going to apply this liberally to the pipe and to the fitting. Don't be afraid to use a lot, because if you don't use enough, then it won't work and the solder won't get into the fitting, and then it won't create that watertight seal, and you'll have leaks. You'll go on the inside of that fitting as well. Then you'll come up, you'll stick it on, and you can twist it around just a little bit just to kind of distribute that flux around. Now, just a general rule of thumb when it comes to solder, they say for about 3/4 inch of pipe that you'll use 3/4 inches of solder, or 1/2 inch pipe, 1/2 inch of solder. In this set here, we're using 3/4 inch. So you take it, put a little shepherd's crook on it, and then you'll just heat around the fitting. And then when it gets hot enough, you will touch the solder to this, and that flux will suck the solder up in. You want to be careful that you don't heat it too long, because then you'll burn all that flux, and then it won't suck the solder in and create that seal. If you look here, it looks like it's gone all the way in and it's created that perfect seal for us. The next scene will show a close-up of this and what's going on.